Every March, Pilates enthusiasts around the world celebrate their love for Pilates. It's March Matness. Join me this year in celebration. Day 15 is the neck pull. This can be a really challenging exercise for the abdominals. You'll find that it's really similar in the rolling up and rolling back portions to the roll-up exercise. However, taking the hands back behind the head makes it much more challenging. If you're having trouble getting up and down this way, you can extend your arms the way that you would for the roll-up and then take that fold forward with the hands behind the head. Keep in mind with the neck pull that although it's called the neck pull, you shouldn't be tugging on your head or neck. That's not the reason for the title of this exercise. Thanks so much for joining me in the studio today. You can find Pilates how-tos on my channel. While this exercise is not quite in there yet, you can find the roll-up exercise, which will be helpful in preparation for the neck pull. Check out my channel for more mat Pilates, Pilates how-tos, springboard Pilates, barre workouts, positive affirmations, and much more. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more March Madness.